Other animals rely on the elephant to make way for them because the way they are big and strong, they are giant. No. Welcome to Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. And when you are done, please turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Let's go into today. An NPP communicator has this message for the party grassroots, and we party near we and say Osono Ba and I say NPP near Mpacho. Listen to this very message, very important message, and I will be back to tell you what I think about it.
To fail, he didn't need any or NASA to fail. He was still able to be successful. So we don't need Mahama to fail to be successful. We'll be successful. NPP will bounce back again.
Well,
NPP,
sure.
oh yes, I'm telling you. This party will bounce back again and will do big and greater things. New and young, spirited, with new ideas will come and take this party to the next level. Intimo biaba mumu party ni awutie me ne ema waba mumu. Party no yejija ene sebe the position we are in. We have to be frank. We are not in the best of positions. Enye yera kufo party baby ana esi ejinani. Era da rocha monya party ni baby esi ejinani. Nemum abanesa. Ekwan ben ne be faso a yedin tutuye ne nhihye begu akwan mu in the next 1 year mempo de we de me madwen kire. Enye mi raba o mi adwen kire, me madwen kire. On fan share ma no. Say si ebetimi kwan ke enko early congress. Yenko early congress so we can pick up the party, fix the issues as quickly as possible and form a new and formidable opposition to put Yera Mahama to test. Look, we are going to hold him accountable. No two ways about it. And no dear. Or catch and so mine is in the abyss. Abyss no be ye free. And no dear, ye mama na ye free abyss. There's nothing like the journey is long. There be journey.
This is a message from an astute communicator to the party grassroots and also in part to the executives. Now, any say we are obia uka NPP party ne the times in which we are, you won't be a happy person. You'll be somehow sad. Esan said a lot has happened. We are just coming out of an election in which we were wounded. Some people will think, say, we were wounded beyond repair. But we are never wounded beyond repairs. There is a reason for which our party is known as the elephant family. We call forest man. Osunu ye abuabia. It suffers a lot of things because of its size. A lot of things can come and hit it because of its size. But that notwithstanding, the elephant in the forest, and I say in the bush, we are way makers. Other animals rely on the elephant to make way for them because the way they are big and strong, they are giant. They are able to hit trees down so that they can make way for other animals to go through. That is the elephant for you. Elephants are able to look for water in dry season. Yes, that's the elephant for you. When other animals are giving up and they are falling down, they are dying of thirst, the elephant is able to go miles and miles to look for water. And that is why we chose the symbol of the elephant, such a strong animal, such a resilient animal. And that is the character that everybody in the New Patriotic Party has. We are a very strong group of people. Resilient, strong of people. And one thing we know how to do is that we are able to rise when we fall. And our predecessors, the likes of J. Kufuor, Rocha and Co., they knew how to rise when they fell. The likes of Nana Akufo-Addo, he knew how to rise when he fell. And so this generation and the generation after, we shall know, and we know how to rise when we fall. A defeat in an election, we've been defeated before. 2008 we were defeated. 2012 we were defeated. But going into 2016, people even thought we won't win 2016 because we had some internal conflict. Secretary and the chairman had to be removed and all. So people thought the Elephant family wasn't going to win the election. But that was a very historic election for the Elephant family. We won massively. And we won, and we came to power to bring Ghana, to make Ghana great again. We made Ghana great again. So if today it happened that we went into an election and the outcome hasn't been too good, let us not worry. Just know, say, the Elephant family will come back stronger. And then he also makes a case, say, as I say, and that's our dream, say, we as NPP, I say, early Congress. Me also, I believe that we have to go for early Congress. Because once we are able to get new executives early and get a flag bearer early, remember ample time to market the flag bearer. For that flag bearer to be always present in national discourse. Because that will be the flag bearer that will be at the forefront of the party, that would always keep the party in power, John Mahama Abayenu, on its toes. As it stands, NDC believes say they have what they call the absolute majority or super majority. They are calling John Mahama His Excellency the Supreme Leader. How do we counter that? The way to counter that is to have a flag bearer early enough. A flag bearer with a pedigree. One with good record, an outstanding flag bearer. Say 2 years before elections now, then all those 2 years, that flag bearer will be vocal. And the moment we have such a person, we will work on the unity of the party. So that by the time it is time for the next election, the Elephant family is going to the election united. An early Congress will afford us that. An early Congress will also afford us the opportunity to come up with a better and good strategy, campaign strategy. An early Congress, early Congress, will have ample time to go all over the country, back and forth, and keep selling our message. Don't get it twisted. Yewo NPP mono. Yewo odo my Ghana. We love Ghana. So there is no way obia NPP mono will be praying say John Mahama should fail. There be Ophelia enyenye shi. Ophelia yenyina nebebre. And it is not our wish, is neither our prayer. Say John Mahama should fail. What we know is say, even if John Mahama brings heaven to Ghana, the Elephant family will bring paradise in the next government. And so Ghanaians will look at the alternative that the Elephant family will be coming with in the next election and vote for us massively. And if you are an NDC follower and you are thinking of running down, you are said that, the elephant is bruised with that beyond recovery and all those things. Sorry to disappoint you. The elephant will be back. And the elephant will not just be back. The elephant will be back stronger. The elephant will be back much more united. The elephant will be back to make way for our nation. And the elephant will be back in power. Believe it. Thank you for watching this episode. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers.